Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire the legendary Toyota Supra in Grand Theft Auto 5 online. First, you need to know its in-game name. The car you are looking for is the Dinka Jester Classic, a stunning sports car heavily inspired by the real-life Supra Mark IV. This guide will walk you through the simple process of adding this highly sought-after vehicle to your garage. So let's get started right away. The car you'll be searching for is the Dinka Jester Classic. This incredible sports car is a fan favorite, known for its sleek design and impressive performance. To make it yours, you'll need to have exactly $790,000 in-game dollars. Once you have the funds, simply open your in-game phone, navigate to the internet, and find the legendary motorsport website. It's the exclusive dealership for this iconic vehicle. If your bank account isn't quite ready for this purchase, don't worry. There are many ways to earn money in Grand Theft Auto Online. Consider completing contact missions, which offer decent payouts for relatively short tasks. Participating in heists with your crew can also net you millions. For solo players, managing businesses like the Acid Lab or Salvage Yard provides a steady income stream, helping you reach that $790,000 goal. Once you've successfully purchased your Dinka Jester Classic, the real fun begins. Head over to any Los Santos custom shop to personalize your new ride. You can modify everything from its paint job and wheels to performance upgrades and unique liveries. Make it truly your own, reflecting your style. Then, hit the streets of Los Santos and Blaine County, enjoying every moment behind the wheel of your very own customized Supra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.